Hey guys! So mag-unboxing lang tayo ng merchandise from Uniqlo. This is the Kaiju number 8 merchandise nila and I'm so happy na nabili ko to. Pagkakita ko nun, pagka-release nila nun, tinignan ko sa store nila and yun, super ganda. Actually, nalito pa ako doon sa dalawa kung kunin ko si Vice Captain or yung lahat sila. So ito na yun guys, no further ado. Ayan. So this is from Kaiju number 8. Yan. Japan Anti-Kaiju Defense Force 3rd Division Team. Ayan. So this is a dark green color and embroidery to guys. Hindi siya printed, embroidery. And of course, here's the print at the back. Silang 5. Ayan. Mga main characters. Tapos, it has a pocket. Ayan, this is so cute kasi may pocket siya. And it is 100% cotton made. And the price is 790 pesos. Ayan. The sizing is true to fit. Kung anong size mo, yun na. Regular fit lang naman to guys. And, yan. Susutin ko to and I can say that this is so comfortable kasi bumili na ako ng mga other shirt from Uniqlo. So no further ado, let's try it on. Wait lang.